In this video, I will show you how to install Toffee application on your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and want to install the Toffee application to your Android TV, this is what you do. You are going to come to this application called Downloader if you don't have Google Play Store installed. So you come to Downloader and you launch it. If you have Downloader on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to install Downloader to your Android TV. So once you install Downloader, you launch it. This is how it looks like. What Downloader does is that it helps you source out or search files, APKs from the internet, which you can go ahead and install to your Android TV. So in this case, we're going to be searching for Toffee app. So when you type in the right keyword Toffee app, just go ahead and search. So this is what Downloader is going to do for us. Downloader is going to show us the sources on the internet where we can install Toffee application to our Android TV. So here are they. So you can scroll through them and then see which one is best for you. But I think this is the right option. So you have to come over here and then click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to lead you to where you can install the Toffee application to your Android TV. So you can see here's the install button. Just click on that and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.